A few days ago, while scrolling through YouTube, I discovered a niche that's growing unbelievably fast. Take a look at channels like Millionaire Problems. They uploaded only a few videos, yet gained thousands of subscribers and millions of views in a very short time. Their videos are simple but highly engaging. They explain the economics behind businesses, companies, and industries with topics like the economics of owning a casino or how SpaceX makes money. Almost every upload performs exceptionally well. So today, I'll show you exactly how you can create similar videos using AI, from finding viral topics all the way to publishing the final video. Let's skip the channel setup and jump straight into the workflow. The first step is finding a viral topic. Open your favorite AI chatbot and ask it to generate trending video ideas in your niche, whether it's finance, business, or economics. You can also use formats like the economics of how makes money or why is so expensive. The AI will generate dozens of unique ideas. Before choosing one, quickly search it on YouTube to check the competition. Pick a topic with high interest and lower competition. Once you've selected your topic, it's time to generate the script. Simply ask the AI to write a complete script based on your topic, video length, audience, and tone. Within a few moments, you'll have a detailed script ready. Since AI isn't perfect, don't use the first draft immediately. Review it carefully or ask another AI model to analyze the script, find mistakes, and improve weak sections. This small step can significantly improve the final quality. Now it's time for the voiceover. Paste your script into an AI text-to-speech tool, choose a realistic voice, and generate the narration. If your script is long, generate it in smaller sections and combine everything later for a smooth result. Next comes the visuals. Use AI to create image prompts based on your script. Instead of generating images one by one, use an AI agent to generate multiple images in batches. This saves a lot of time while keeping the visual style consistent. Once your images are ready, import everything into your favorite editing software. Place the images according to the voiceover, add smooth transitions, subtle animations, and background music to make the video more engaging. After editing, export the video in high quality. Finally, create an eye-catching thumbnail using AI and generate an SEO-friendly title, description, and tags before uploading. That's the complete workflow. By following these steps, you can create professional finance-style YouTube videos much faster and focus more on growing your channel instead of spending hours on production.